Hello, great minds. You're welcome back. So today we want to take a look at conversion of base numbers from base 10 to another base. That's to other bases. Okay. So last class or last video, I posted the one that you can easily convert from other bases to base 10 following the expansion method. But for now, I want to take a look at how we can convert base numbers from base 10 to other bases. Now take a look at this. Say express the following base 10 numbers to each base given. Now this is the first one. We have 1007 to base 8. Note octal. Octal bases, they are what? Base 8 numbers. So convert it to binary bases. That means you should convert it to what? Numbers in base 2. Then the second question. 761 to be converted to base 12 and also to be converted to base 16. Let's start from somewhere. Solution. The first one, which is talking about converting the 1007 base 10 to octal, that's to base 8. Okay. If you are converting to base, if you are converting from base 10 to other base, what you just need to do is to follow your table method. Okay, you draw out your table. You have the vertical and the horizontal. You split out the what? The vertical one into some section. Then bring out your number, which is 1007. Now, the base you are converting to is what you are going to be dividing the number with. You'll be dividing this particular number by, you understand, the base you are converting to, which is what? Base 8. So bring down your base 8 number. So how many times can this 8 be found in 1007? Okay, it's going to give you 125, and to have a remainder of what? Of 7. You can see that. So again, you are going to this what you did just now, you're going to have a kind of repetition of it, still using the word the same 8. So how many times can 125, okay, this 125 now be divided by what? How many times can it be, and how many times can you find 8 in 125? And that will give us what? 15. And to remain what? It will remain 5. You can see that the number is decreasing, isn't it? So again, you still repeat it by saying how many times can you find 8 in 15? That's going to be what? Just 1. And to remain what? 7. You can see that. So now you repeat it for the last time, because at this blue aspect, this blue column, this column, okay, it has to end with 0 before you stop. So the last one now is that how many times can you find 8 in what? In 1, which is not possible. So the best thing for you to do is to see what? 0, okay, meaning that it's not possible for you to find 8 in what? In 1. So you bring down, the answer becomes 0, then you bring out the 1 as what? As a remainder, okay. That's what you have there. So when you obtain this, the moment when you obtain 0 at this end, okay, at this end here, you stop. Then to choose your answer, you read the one in green, okay, this one in green, you read it upward. You can see the way the arrow move. You can see it moves upward, means you're going to what? Take your reading upward. So it's going to be 1757, okay. So you have 1757 base 8. This is a simple way of converting what? Numbers in base 10 to what? To other bases. So even if you're going to convert to base 7, any other base, okay, so far you're converting from base 10, this is the best way for you to always what? Follow, which is very simple, okay. Then let's take a look at this, which is the second part of the question. Don't forget, we are converting this to what? To base 16, okay, converting this to base 16. So the same process. Solution. You draw out your table, divide it into section, bring out downward 761. So since the base you are converting to is what? 16, okay, you use 16 to divide 761 and obtain all your remainders. So when you divide 761 by 16, it's going to give you 47, and it will remain 9. Okay, so it remains 9. You go through the process again by dividing 47 by 16. What will it give you? 2 times. That's 32. And it's going to remain what? It's going to remain 15. Okay, so that 15 is a real value. What kind of one single value in this aspect? Take note of that. So now you go through the process again. Remember I told you that this blue aspect must end with 0 before you stop. So how many times can you divide 2 by 16, which is not possible, right? So it's going to be what? 0. Then you bring down the 2 as the remainder. Can you see that? Very easy. So you take your answer, you move upward, isn't it? So that's going to be 2, 15, 9. The 15 is not going to be 1, 5. It's going to be just 15. So you have 2, 15, 9. Okay? Now, now you have to remember that what 15 is actually what under hexadecimals, right? So, and we represent 15 with what? With F. Okay, instead of you writing 15 there, that's going to cause confusion. People won't know whether it is 1 and 5 or just 15. Okay, except to circle it. But instead of doing all that, just use F to represent what? 15. And that ends the video. I hope this explanation is on point. Remember, our team is always what? To keep on what? Studying. Because knowledge is what? Is power. If there is no knowledge, the world remains static. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Because it's your comment and your comment that we're going to use to, develop the video better than this. Thank you very much. Hope we see next video. Bye.